Well, we just flew up to the diner to have a BLT, and we're going to fly back to San Antonio. And my name is Bob, and been flying for 60 years, and this is what we do for kicks. This is a Cessna 150. It's a 1977 airplane, and we've given it a lot of TLC. I've been flying for 60 years now, and this is about our speed. It's a 2-passenger airplane. It was designed to be a trainer, and we just use it for casual flying. I keep my currency in this one, and it's fun. I've been flying since I was 17 years old. I'm 77 now, so that's 60 years. I spent 20 years in the Marine Corps. I was a Marine Corps fighter pilot, and that's the reason why I named my airplane Semper Fi. This is an F-8E Crusader. That's what I flew my first tour in Vietnam. And this is an OV-10 Bronco. I flew in my second tour in Vietnam. And in between tours, I was an instructor in the T2. I got 1,000 hours instructor time in the T2 Buckeye at Meridian. Go ahead and set up my navigation on my iPads, and so that I can fly back to San Antonio the same way I came.
What's the weather look like this afternoon?
Oh, hot and dusty.
No thunderstorms?
No. This is my wife, Marion, my trusty sidekick. And,
she your co-pilot?
She's my navigator and observer.
And what does she do to help you?
She points out airplanes that might be conflicting with our flight path.